Baking a homemade loaf of bread. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to guide you through the steps of baking a homemade loaf of bread. This timeless skill is both rewarding and delicious. We'll cover the materials needed, the preparation process, and some essential tips to ensure a perfect loaf. Let's get started. Materials and tools needed. First, let's gather our materials and tools. You'll need all-purpose flour, active dry yeast, warm water, sugar, salt, and vegetable oil. As for tools, make sure you have a large mixing bowl, measuring cups and spoons, a wooden spoon or spatula, a loaf pan, and of course, an oven. Having everything ready beforehand will make the process smooth and enjoyable. Step 1. Preparing the yeast mixture. We'll start by preparing the yeast mixture. Combine warm water, about 110 degrees Fahrenheit, with sugar and yeast in a large bowl. Stir gently and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the mixture becomes frothy. This step ensures your yeast is active. Step 4. First rise. Next, place the dough in a greased bowl and cover it with a clean kitchen towel. Let it rise in a warm place for 1 to 2 hours or until it doubles in size. This process allows the yeast to work its magic. Step 5. Shaping the dough. After the dough has risen, punch it down gently to release the air. Then shape it into a loaf and place it in a greased loaf pan. This step is crucial for giving your bread its final shape. Step 6. Second rise. Cover the pan and let the dough rise again for 30 minutes to an hour until it doubles in size. This second rise is essential for achieving a soft, fluffy texture. Step 7. Baking the bread. Preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. When it reaches the desired temperature, bake the bread for 25 to 30 minutes. It is ready when the top achieves a golden brown color and produces a hollow sound when tapped. Don't forget to use oven mitts when handling the hot pan. Step 8. Cooling and serving. Finally, remove the bread from the pan and let it cool completely on a wire rack. Cooling ensures the loaf sets properly and is easier to slice. And there you have it, a homemade loaf of bread ready to enjoy. Troubleshooting tips. Before we wrap up, here are some quick troubleshooting tips. If your dough is too sticky, add a bit more flour. If it's not rising, check the freshness of your yeast. And for a softer crust, place a dish of water in the oven while baking. Safety guidelines. Safety is important when baking. Always handle hot pans with oven mitts and be cautious when working with an open flame if you're using a gas oven. Also, double check the water temperature for the yeast to avoid killing it. Conclusion. That brings us to the end of our bread making journey. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy baking your own homemade loaf. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment and have fun.